My video guide is about removing the fake Chrome browser update alerts that come from the site Eisx3.xyz. Eisx3.xyz is a dangerous site that may attack a Google Chrome browser. This website tries to trick you into downloading some unwanted browser extension. The extension that is promoted through such fake Chrome update alerts may operate as adware or as a browser hijacker. It may depend on various factors. For instance, it might depend on geographical location that would decide what particular extension is installed. However, all these pop-ups by Eisx3.xyz are totally fake and deceptive. You should not trust them. In case any unwanted extensions were mistakenly added to your Google Chrome browser, you should definitely undertake the measures and get rid of such third-party extensions if you find them. To disable any extensions that you don't need, access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, then disable and remove any third-party extensions if you find them. To make sure that your computer is free of any other threats, I strongly advise researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the official page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the program, and begin carefully researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.